Warning, 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 this video is not what you think, and it's going to help you attract more money just like this. Sounds crazy? Watch the video and it will prove to you that more money can come to you way faster than you think. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into the video. Okay, number one sign, unexpected and shocking, that you're about to manifest more money. You're looking for prosperity. Most people are not looking for prosperity. They think they are. They want more money. It's a conscious desire, but subconsciously, habitually, all they're doing is looking around for the lack of it. They keep looking at their bank account and seeing there's not enough money in it. Oh, this law of attraction stuff doesn't work. Oh, you see that guy with that Corvette? Oh, rich jerk. Does he really need all that money? Is he taking some of our money? You get jealous of somebody else that's doing well at something. And what happens is we're not looking for prosperity. Look around. And silently, you don't need to tell anyone this. While you're driving, count the money. Like, look at every car. Oh, there's a Corvette, that's $100,000. Oh, that's a 96 Honda Civic, and that one's about $6,000. And count it. Okay, that's $110,000. Oh, you see that BMW? That's $60,000. Oh, you see that house? Oh, that's about $1 million. So you see that surfboard? That's about $400. While you're moving around, and then when you go to the grocery store, what happens? We definitely stop looking for prosperity in the grocery store, right? Oh, the potatoes are 74 cents. They used to be 32 cents. We're not looking for prosperity. We're looking for scarcity. The Doritos are $7. The steak is $23. The kale, can you believe a batch of kale? It's leaves. They're $9. I remember when they used to be $3. I remember. What are we doing? We're not looking for prosperity. We're looking for the lack of it. So when you go into the grocery store, look for prosperity. Oh, those almonds, $12, that kale, $4, that's $18. Man, there's so much prosperity. Wow. Okay, what about those, that fish over there's $20. Oh, that's $40. Oh, that water, $7. Wow. There's like $1 million of prosperity just in this grocery store. What are you doing? You're training your brain and your mind to only see prosperity. Reality is a hologram in that what you experience in your life is a direct reflection of what your brain and your mind project as reality. Most people project a bank account and a financial reality of lack, limitation, and scarcity. They're not looking for prosperity. They're rationally going out and they're saying there's not enough. When in fact, more money is printed every single day. There's always an opportunity for you to live your dream job, create your dream house, double your income, to read amazing books on prosperity, to watch YouTube videos. It's out there. Yet most people are not looking for prosperity. They would swear to you that they were. They would swear to you that they're working hard and they're trying, but working hard doesn't mean that you're gonna make more money. Getting in alignment with prosperity, getting your mind right, getting your brain right, training it to see abundance is what's going to create abundance. That's why I'm not a quote unquote religious person, but that's why it says in the Bible that to those who have, more will be given, and to those who have not, even that will be taken. What is that saying? It's saying that the people that have, that are in a place of prosperity and abundance, that notice it and that see it, will create more of it. And those that have not, that are in a place of lack, that are in a place of doubt, that are in a place of scarcity, even that which they have will be taken away, because they're only going to attract more doubt, scarcity, and lack of abundance. It's simple. It's very simple. And so my invitation to you is to play the prosperity game, to look for prosperity everywhere you go. Count prosperity in your house. You might be like, I'm so broke. This guy's such an idiot. So stupid. But count it. I'll count prosperity right now. My camera costs $700. My microphone on top of it, $100. My camera lights, $100. My wood floors, they're not mine, but when they were put in, I don't know how much the floors cost. We'll just say they cost $1,000. It might be more. My paper, my journals, I don't know, $10. Just right there, dude. Just right there, that's like $3,000, $4,000 worth of prosperity. Right? My shirt, this shirt cost, I don't know, $20. That's another thing right there. Isn't that, when you look at how much that shifts your energy, and if you want to attract what you want, you need to get in the energy of it first. So play the prosperity game and start looking for it. Play it with your friends, play it with your business partner, play it with your wife, with your husband, with your romantic partner, with the person you're dating, with yourself. Play it with yourself and start counting prosperity. Start looking for it everywhere you go. Oh, there's prosperity. Oh, you see that boat? Oh, you see that thing? Oh, that's prosperity. And start to move yourself into that place. Start counting all the prosperity in your life, your phone, your camera, your computer, your internet. Start counting it all, and you're gonna move your place into it. And that's the number one sign that more money is on the way, because to those who have, more will be given. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. If you really want to attract more money, download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, to train your subconscious mind for abundance. I've used this for about 6 years. Tens of thousands of people from all over the world have used it to attract more money into their life. We hear the craziest stories all the time. It's free. Download it down below and listen to it for like 15, 20 minutes once a day, and you're going to see amazing shifts in your life. So be sure that you press the subscribe button and hit the notification button so you actually are alerted. Just hitting subscribe will sometimes notify you, but not all the time. So hit the bell notification. Please share this video with a friend. We have so many people in the world struggling for abundance. They desire it, they need it, but they're looking around and they're reinforcing lack. And so share this video so we can play the prosperity game. Think of a friend, a family member, a loved one, a business partner that you want to play this game with. Send them the video, and then after the video, you guys can start to count it together and hold each other accountable to whether or not you guys are focused on prosperity and abundance or the lack thereof. That's the quickest way to attract more into your life. Be sure that you comment where in the world you're coming from. I'm in Maui. Love to know where you're coming from, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.